Hello guys, now we continue our journey to Christchurch, New Zealand. After a long ride from Westport, Greymouth and Arthur Pass, so finally we arrive here at Christchurch. So this is the entrance. As I noticed, there is some houses are smashed, so I think they are affected by a earthquake. So we actually don't know where we're going. So as of the moment, I think it's 6:30 p.m. It's a little bright though. I think they have some daylight saving, sort of. And it's 3 hours ahead from Australia and Philippines. It's our last day in our rental car, so we just take the opportunities to ride on it up the hill. So this is our looking of CBD in Christchurch. As we continue to stroll around at the CBD, as you remember, way back 2011, 22nd of February, that was Tuesday at 12:15 p.m. It's a badly damaged by magnitude 6.3 earthquake, which killed 185 people and several thousand was injured. The devastation of this town are really obvious, so hoping they will cover up in the future. There are a lot of businesses are affected and some shops as well are shut. In the tourist spot in the city, so it's just few people that you notice over there. So this is how it looks like now. Christchurch is a wide range of the city, so I just drive on and drive up in the lookout to see how it looks like and how big this city are. This is the end of the esplanade on the beach out of Christchurch. Next morning, we explore Botanic Garden here at Christchurch. So this is how it looks like. It's a beautiful fresh air. There are some trees, flowers. It's just green surroundings. It's our last day here at Christchurch, and tomorrow we're gonna hire a caravan, so we're gonna stay in the caravan site. We're bound to Lake Tekapo. It's a caravan site in Christchurch. A few caravans. It's freezing cold still.